Hi everybody, Johnny here. Let's do some counting together. We'll need something to count, and we'll need a cat. How many dots do you see? How many altogether? Let's organize them to see what we have. These should go together up here, and then these over here. Let's see. These together there, and those like that. That looks good. What do we have? How many are here? How many here? How many here? And here? And how many altogether? Let's put them in a different order. Let's put all of these together like this. That looks good like that. And this belongs with that one, and that one there. This one down here. This one. Oh, look, we have one of those. And another. And another. And another. Let's see, a couple more of these. This one. And this one. A couple of these. And there. Look what we're missing. Interesting, huh? How many are here? How many here? How many? How many? And then how many? How many altogether? Let's start with this. What if this one has a friend like that? And another one. And then they're together like this. And then what if all of these are together like this and has all of these friends? And then what if these two like each other, these two like each other, and these two like each other, and these will have to be by themselves? Look what we have. Let's make it a little different. Let's separate those out. That might help a little bit. How many here? How many here? How many? How many? How many and how many? How many altogether up there? And don't forget these. How many altogether? What if we put all of these together, and then we put all of these together, and we put all of these together, and we left these by themselves? How many here? How many here? How many here? And here, and how many altogether? Let's try this. Let's go ahead and put a bunch of these up here, and another bunch of these up here, and in the very middle we'll put one of these. Let's think about that. And then up here, let's see, we have one of these, another one of these, another one of these, and another, on the other side we'll have two of those. So we have this on one side and this on the other side, and again we're going to put one of these in the middle. And to make it more interesting, let's go ahead and put this on this side over here with these, and this one over here. So look what we have right now. Look what's over here. Look what's over here. Look what's in the middle. And then let's go ahead, put all of these together on one side, all of these together on the other side. How many here? How many here? And then all together like that. So let's see what we have. On the very top row, how many are there? And on the very bottom row, how many? And then, how many altogether? What if we took this long train, put it over here, think about how many are there, and we added this other good-sized train to the end. How many dots are there altogether? I bet the cat knows. Do you?